यार ये एडवोकेट्स को बुला लो।
Good morning to all. Worthy Chairman District.
This is Authority Kathua, also Principal District and Sessions Judge Kathua, Shri Ashok Kumar Chavan. Departments to the offices and
Welcome our chief guest with a bouquet.
आप इसे डोगरी को
सोनाली तू बोल ना। District and also the Principal District and Sessions Judge Kathua, Shri Ashok Kumar Chavan. Secretary District Legal Services Authority Kathua, Miss Rekha Nishtal Ma'am, and all the staff members of District Court Complex Kathua, female staff of Department of Social Welfare Kathua, legal officer, PONIC, social worker, Integrated Child Protection Unit, Mission Vatsalya Kathua, Integrated Child Development Unit, Poshan Kathua, One-Stop Center Kathua, and Special Cell for Women Kathua. I heartily welcome you all today on an awareness cum sensitization program on the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013. Light signifies the dispelling of darkness and ignition of thoughts and enlightenment.
This program, Madam Puneet Kumari, who is Deputy Chief Legal Aid Defence Counsel, DLSA Kathua, Madam Anjisha, Central Administrator One-Stop Center Kathua, female staff from different courts for Complex Kathua, female panel advocates of DLSA Kathua, staff from different departments, staff and PLVs of DLSA Samba. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and my humble greetings to everyone who have participated in this one-day awareness cum sensitization program organized by District Legal Services Authority Kathua under the able aegis of J&K Legal Services Authority, and also as per the direction and overall supervision of our worthy Chairman, District Legal Services Authority Kathua, for female employees. It is for the information of all the participants that legal services authorities along with other legal services institutions undertake from time to time various legal awareness activities in order to make people aware about the role, responsibilities, and functioning of the legal services institutions, and accordingly, a variety of tools are used in order to achieve the ultimate mandate of the NALSA, that is access to justice for all. And legal aid programs are a central component of strategies to enhance access to justice. And today's program, which has got organized under the directions of our worthy Chairman, District Legal Services Authority, Kathua, is one of such efforts towards the attainment of the mandate of NALSA. As you all know, being female, women in society, they are expected to perform multilateral roles. Yet they have to face discrimination of various sorts in all walks of life. The objective of organizing this sensitization program today is to make aware our participants about the pertinent issues of sexual harassment at workplaces, its dimensions, types, what are the provisions of Post Act 2013, as well as the gender sensitization and sexual harassment of women at high courts and subordinate courts of J&K, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Regulation 2016, so that we can create a gender-sensitive environment for establishing and maintaining healthy and safe work culture at different places in District Kathua. Worthy Chief Guest Shri Ashok Kumar Shawan, who is the worthy Chairman DLSA Kathua and also Principal District and Session Judge Kathua. Sir, your presence has at this program. I once again extend my respect for this program. I welcome the print and electronic media in this program. I conclude by once again extending a warm welcome to all of you. Thank you, Jenny.
Prevention and redressal.
To be made a victim. Good afternoon to each and everyone present here, to the worthy Chairman District Legal Services Authority Kathua, also the Principal District and Session Judge Kathua, to the Secretary DLSA. I am Puneet Kumari, Deputy Chief Legal Aid Defence Counsel. Get an opportunity to speak on the topic of gender sensitization and sexual violence prevention with special emphasis on sexual harassment of women at workplace faced by the women nowadays. What is sexual harassment? Actually, sexual harassment means a broad term, including many types of unwelcome verbal and physical sexual attention. A very famous proverb, quid pro quo. This means this for that. Some person in position of authority demands some sexual favor as a condition to getting or keeping a job benefit. This is a sexual harassment in office.
That after all, we are part of the society. Even if you just go on flipping any page of the Constitution or even any law, that would always speak of rights of the women, rights of the children. Now we have POCSO, and we have many rights for the protection of the women's. Why so? Or even the Constitution said, if you go through the preamble, that speaks of social justice. What does it mean? Social, it doesn't mean that to do justice between two communities. It means to ensure dignity of every individual, equality, dignity. And dignity, it is a bigger term, it is a very vast definition, it would cover everything. So we have a constitutional right. It speaks that. So Constitution, in fact, it is only the source of all these laws which have emanated, which have come out. Basic is the Constitution, which we treat as it is a sacred document for all of us. But still, as part of this civilized nation, it is our duty to be aware, to have awareness. Unless we are not aware, we can't just think of our rights, or to see those rights to be in just implemented in a real right separate way. So the very purpose of this program is to make you aware, and I may tell you, as long as there are these crimes are increasing, or these kind of things are happening in our society, the need arises to make new laws. The very purpose of having convened this meeting is just to impart awareness about sexual harassment on the workplaces. as far as my experience goes, I feel indebted to Almighty that during my lifetime I have never seen any such incident, especially in our duty, happening like this. And it should never happen. It is very just a very bad thing. I should say very shabby, a stigmatic thing. It is the person, as we often say, it is the wearer of the shoe who knows where the shoe pinches. So think it vice versa. Think of the person or the victim. If anything like this happens with any child or any girl or any woman, you can just experience what would be the plight of that baby or that victim or that child. So that is why on the outside I said, thank God we are that way. We have never noticed anything like this happening anywhere in this part of this region. Now it happens. We have been reading to newspapers. We have been just watching this on social media and other things. It can't be overruled. It is happening in other states. We have people working in factories, people working in big industries, even some officers, those operate nocturnally during night time. So chances of these kind of things do happen, changing with the same pace as these crimes also increase in the society. So the Honorable Apex Court, while taking notice of all these things happening all around, after all, it is data which reach to the high these constitutional bodies, be it Women Commission or this Apex Court, or even just atrocities on the weaker sections. We have this National Commission on SC, ST and other like so, Women Commission, many more forums. So the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, taking notice of all these, have given slip of direction in most of the judgment. The one which was just recited by Vishaka judgment, that is the basis. So that says it is after that we have got the guidelines, and these committees have been constituted at all levels, Apex Court, High Court level, District Court level, then monitoring committee, and so that no crime anywhere happening with the weaker section of society or with these weak sex, fair sex should go unnoticed. So the very purpose of this is that to make you known, make you aware anywhere if it is happening, or the women's or sisters or children, if they feel anywhere any kind of victimization or harassment, they could have a forum. They could just give way to their grievance and reach to the go to the committee and just narrate their ordeal, and just so that to see that the person who is at fault or guilty is brought to book. So the very purpose of this program, this kind of program or having of these committees is mainly to give you awareness. So all has been, I think most of the things have been already said. Now I need not to just give detail of your rights. As I said, every book, every legislation would have rights about the women, and women's are so important part of our this society. Without whose participation or without their association, their counterpart also, they can't do anything. They are also incomplete. Women's or mothers, sisters, they are really the glory of our nation. Without your participation, without your association, without you being in the offices, I think we can't progress. So it is our duty just to create that kind of atmosphere, that kind of just atmosphere all around you, so that the ladies, the women our women are the girls of the tender age, they feel safe and they feel protected under law, so that they can flourish, they can work safely, and that is the, I think, the intent of the legislation also to achieve. So this is all I want to say. But before that, I would like to just thank all of you for having come out from different places to register your participation in this program. And it would be my request to all of you to just feel sensitized, bear these things in mind, and leave this place with this message that you also have a role in the society to serve the nation. Thank you very much.